The ultimate goal of a wastewater plant is you end up with two separate streams. You'll have the clean stream that gets returned to the environment, and you'll have a stream that is typically termed your solid stream, and that's everything that's cleaned out of the water. So initially, when wastewater comes into a facility, you will typically have screens, and so those screens could have openings as small as 1/4 of an inch. The water then flows through primary clarifiers, and so anything that floats gets taken off the top, and then there will be the heavier things, the solids that settle to the bottom, and so those then get separated out towards that solid stream. The overflow continues through the process. What we have behind us, these are called aeration basins, and that is where a biological process occurs where microorganisms start eating the nitrogen and phosphorus and other things in the waste stream. After that, they proceed forward to what are called final or secondary clarifiers, where again that settling process occurs. So the heavier solids settle down to the bottom, and then the clean water comes out at the top. And the clean water proceeds forward to filters. So that is where the water goes in at the top, and it'll go down through smaller and smaller openings. They are filled with sand or rock. Those filters are periodically backwashed. The backwash water goes to the solids process, and the clean water continues down to the bottom. The next last step is called disinfection. Some plants use chlorine. This facility, a lot of our facilities use ultraviolet light to disinfect. And then the very last step is increasing the dissolved oxygen before it goes back out. And so at this facility we use what's called a cascade aerator, and it's basically where the water goes down these steps and that DO is increased before it goes back out to the creek.